In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in Adobe Reader PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open your document is press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, and as you can see, a find box will open in the top right. Now, over here, you can click on this cogwheel to actually go and basically select different options if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and start. So if I type in, for example, object, as you can see, it's going to find all the words which say objects inside my document. So I'm going to click on it, and I can just keep clicking next, and it's going to go to the next word which matches what I typed in here. Up top, it's also going to show you how many of these words there are and on which word I'm currently out of the total amount. Okay, I could go and do this for whatever, so I can search for sentences as well. For example, if I type in used to demonstrate like this, demon, as you can see, it's going to, if I click on it, it's going to allow me to find that specific sentence or part of the sentence as well. So that's how to search in Adobe Reader PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.